Good day, grade 9s, and welcome to Sustainable Resources. Today we will be looking at sustainable resources in the three business sectors of the economy. First, let's read what the Bible tells us about sustainable resources. I'm reading from chapter 1, verse 28 of Genesis. And God blessed them, granting them certain authority, and said to them, Be fruitful, multiply, and fill the earth, and subjugate it, putting it under your power, and rule over. Dominate the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and every living thing that moves upon the earth. Let's look at a short video clip about sustainable resources.
Shantae, we have a problem.
What's the problem, Kamva?
More people are populating the planet, placing a bigger strain on the environment. The Earth's natural resources are under threat, as economic growth is usually at the cost of environmental protection.
Okay, Kamva. I'll speak to you later. Yikes! This is a big problem. Businesses should take responsibility for their effects on the environment surrounding them. This is known as sustainable development. Sustainable development means to meet the basic needs of people today without ruining the chances of future generations. Many people live in poverty and need economic growth to ensure that even the poorest people survive. Businesses should create more goods and services by using fewer resources and producing less waste. Businesses that perform sustainable development well is Coca-Cola, which recycles every plastic or glass bottle they receive. Another example is Woolworths, which uses the black material bags for every shopping opportunity instead of plastic bags. Let's have a look at how the economic sectors can enact sustainable development. The primary sector businesses can make the best use of nature's resources, including water and land, as it reduces the sector's carbon footprint. The secondary sector businesses should also follow good practices to protect the environment and the consumers by creating products that can be reused or recycled. Businesses in the tertiary sector should support green issues to sustain the environment. For example, by using less energy and electricity in the manufacturing process, to use and support energy efficient and environmentally friendly products and services. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Complete the table by filling in the missing information. We will put up the pause button so that you can complete this activity.
Okay, now that we saw a video clip of the different resources, let's see what the primary resources sector can tell us about sustainable resourcing. Worldwide, this is one of the biggest challenges in this sector. The supply of minerals, metals, ores and fuels are limited, and they have to be used sparingly. Alternative sources such as these products or new replacement products might have to be found before we run out of that sources. Fish species need to be protected and fishing quotas need to be controlled. Trees need to be replaced. Once felled soil used in farming needs to have time to lie. Fallow and must constantly be fertilized. Water is not only in limited supply but is becoming increasingly polluted. It is not only used for human survival but for animals as well as for plants and secondary industries. Let's have a small quiz on what sustainable resources holds for primary sectors. Okay, thank you. Let's have a look at sustainable resources in the secondary sector of business. The secondary manufacturing sector needs, like all sectors, to protect natural resources by being aware of how best to use them and how to preserve them in order to ensure their long-term availability. Responsible management of resource use is the key here and involves environmental, economic and social awareness. Manufacturers need to ensure that they do not waste inputs, resources, and that they do not pollute and destroy aspects of the environment in their production processes by allowing harmful outputs to flow into the environment. They should also make sure that the output is at a minimum so that it doesn't pollute the environment or destroy any natural resources. Let's have a quiz about secondary resources. Okay, thank you. Let's have a look at sustainable use of resources in the tertiary sector. Both the primary and secondary sectors tend to have a greater impact on the environment than the tertiary sector. In managing a mine or a factory, there is a greater chance that you will be using up natural resources such as water, and a greater chance that you will cause air and water and noise pollution compared to industries in the tertiary sector such as retailers and financial services. If the importance of agriculture and mining decreases, so will the effect on the environment. Okay, let's have a quiz on the tertiary sector. Okay, since we have some extra time, let's continue the activity that is given to us by the video presenter and see what we can follow up on from there.
Effectively. Well done, grade 9s. We have just completed our final lesson for term 2.